What are the pathogenic parasites that are found in undercooked pork? Now we can have the ones that we are familiar with, Tania solum. Another one, Tania saginata, asiatica. Understand it's not Tania saginata. Tania saginata is found in beef, undercooked beef. But this one is Tania saginata asiatica, which is a particular tapeworm that is found in the Asian continent. So we have this, we have this. Then we have another one, Trichinella spiralis. Then we have the Sarcocystis hominis. So these are the worms or the parasitic worms that are found in undercooked